What's good YouTube? We back with another video. Today we'll be installing the front and rear badges to Susie. You already know what's happening. Let me flip the camera and show you what's happening. Alright y'all, so we got the front ones right here. Here are the rears. Here's just the rear to mock it up just to show y'all real quick. Just like that. We're gonna have to take off the whole thing, get a heat gun. But let me just go ahead and flip the camera and show you how to put it on. Alright, so all y'all gonna have to do is pretty much get a heat gun and just heat up the glue behind it and everything so it just melts or gets liquidy so you can pull it off. And then get a pry tool right there. Or if not, get some like, whatever this shit's called. And then just put it behind it and just take the glue out. So let me just set the camera up and show you real quick. So I don't know why I cut off, but pretty much next step is just getting the microfiber, wiping down the surface. Here's the old badge right here with old glue. Let's go ahead and peel the back off of this and just pretty much stick it right onto that. So let me put the camera up and show y'all again. Yeah, this looks so much better now, especially with the black instead of the old chrome. Here's the stock badge and then the new badge. Every time I'm gonna black these out, just the whole back side's gonna look full black out. Got Jacob Lillington, and whoever that is. But now let's move on to the front. This is incredible.
Oh, hell no!
Alright y'all, so I pretty much already showed you the back. You just go ahead and time lapse the rest of this doing the front, starting right. Product of the front and back badges. Here's the finished product. Here's the before, and then after. I love the way after looks, especially when it's tinted. Just want to get black badges out here. The gloss is gonna be super clean. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you go down, subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what mod I should do next. Don't forget to hit the bell notifications so y'all to get posted whenever I post a new video. My fault. All right.